Just got some new babies in. Texas brown millipedes. They are all very pretty, and they all pooped right at the same time. It was crazy. Anyways, I'm going to put them in the container, and hopefully they like it. I also got something else, so I'll show that in a minute. They're pretty cool. I already have one in there. Sorry, it's a little hard to see. These ones are very, very active, so we'll go ahead and put them in. See what they do. This one's already moving around. And these ones already disappearing. These ones are much bigger than the other ones I had. That one. Is still hanging on. Very beautiful. My hubby got these for me for my birthday. The other one's already gone. So excited. And he got me another surprise. Be right back. And this is my other birthday present. It is a fantasy Pac-Man frog, and isn't he adorable? I think he's adorable. And he will go in here. I do have a log for him, but it turned out to be too big for this container. So as he gets bigger, he'll be able to use it. But for now, I'll just go and buy a new log for him. One that's smaller, that kind of fits. Isn't he beautiful? Staring into your soul with those eyes. Okay. Now I'm going to try to get him in the container, and I will be back. Okay. And that's him in his enclosure. He's not going to do a whole lot right now. But hopefully he'll get to settle in. And the camera, man, just doesn't pick up those colors. It looks very bland in the camera. But he is a very nice pink color. Green across the top. Vibrant green too. Very, very cute. Anyways, we haven't come up with a name yet, but we'll let you guys know when we do. And we'll probably do a feeding video or something here coming up. Give him a little bit of time to get used to his container. Yes, so that is our fantasy Pac-Man frog. Sorry, not really any good angles. There we go. It's a really good shot of him.